is this understanding of prevenient grace, that grace that goes before us, God's grace that goes before us, that doesn't allow us to go so far that we can't come back. Even though I walked, God didn't. And I will never forget the day that I came back to the Methodist church. I made a deal with my aunt. My aunt looked at me one day and just spoke very brutally, lovingly and brutally to me. She said, I don't like the way you're turning out, and if you're honest with me, you don't like the way you're turning out either. I was 21 years old. And I looked at her and I said, you know what, you're right. She said, I want you to come to church with me. I said, where do you want to go? Where am I going? She said, I want you to come to my Methodist church. Now that's an interesting thing because I was taught as an independent Baptist that Methodists were going to hell.